got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BaseWithKev.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Ooh, good leap right there. What's going on?
How's it going, buddy?
Oh, man, that looking good, man.
Thank you.
Tell me what you got running in here, man.
I got two Cosmos Audio EP 2500s on a Cosmos Audio EP 5500. Mids and highs, I got DS18 tweeters, PRV tweeters, DS18 6.5s on the tweeters on a Teramps 400x4, the 6.5s and the PRV 10s are on a Star SKV2 224. I got 96 amp hour of headway, 2 red top AGMs under the hood, and a 320 amp main fan.
You got plenty here.
She got it. It still drops a little bit, but it's pretty solid for the most part.
You built everything yourself, right?
Everything's myself.
Yeah.
Everything in here, and then everything in his except for his box.
Yeah.
So I do all my own. So I'm just a little small mom and pop shop, but
man, that's what we liking it.
Yeah. I don't know, man. I love it. It's
something when you do it yourself, ain't it, man?
Yeah.
Man, it looks good.
Thank you. You want to hear it now?
It's DJ Rusty Balls.
808 Mafia. If you got pussy on my make yourself a
What kind of power, how much power you think you had on those?
I mean, I got them wired at 1 ohm. I mean, it does about 6K.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure with box rides, they're probably only getting like, I don't know, 1,800 a piece.
Ain't cutting up. That's only the headway bank you got right here.
Well, I got like I got them wired in with the
AGM.
The 2 AGMs under the hood. But I mean, it stays at like 13.8.
I was looking good then.
Every once in a while, it'll get down on the higher notes because I got the box is tuned at 28.
You got low.
Yeah, so I like the lows better. I'm not so much worried about hurting people or chattering teeth.
Yeah.
I like a little bit windy.
Hey, we can have a little fun with it like that.
Oh yeah.
Hey, one thing about when they play high, we can't sit in it long.
Right.
You know.
I like lows. My next build, I got a 2011 Nissan. I'm doing 6 slap 15 Neos on 38Ks and that.
You gonna go all the way on them.
Next like this thing, I can take this all out in one day, bolt my back seats back in.
Yeah, and you can ride around.
Yeah, I can ride around.
Yeah, it's something about being able to pull it out, you know, when you want to.
Like, I mean, this is like a family heirloom truck anyway, so I like to be able to just like, you know, whenever I've got kids and stuff, I can just take all this out, throw the back seats back in,
and take a ride.
Take them to practice, you know?
Yeah.
So, but yeah, man.
That's what I believe in. I said I was going to go back put my seats back in and go back behind the third row and just ride. And just,
Yep.
I find something else and go all the way with
That's
you.
why I said, I'm getting out that Nissan. It's like, it don't matter. It's going to be bolted through the roof.
Yeah, with the wood and all that.
It's going to be, I'm going to have to do I'm a welding structure inside of it and everything else. So once that's permanent. This thing, I can take it right on back out.
Yeah, that's right.
So,
man, where can they find your business and stuff at? Where can they find you at?
so you can find me on Facebook at Reaper Designs. I'm located in Bentonville, right outside of Front Royal, here in Virginia.
Okay.
I'm no professional shop by no means, just a hobbyist that likes to do it to help people out.
Hey, it look good to me.
I mean, like I said, I don't even do it to make money.
Yeah, you just do it.
I just do it to help people stay in,
Stay in it.
Just stay in it, because this is a dying breed of people,
Hey,
man.
you know what? A lot of people get out of it when they can't afford it.
Right.
You know,
and I don't charge people arms and legs to do stuff, man.
Yeah, just make it affordable.
Just basically just do it. I make just enough so the old lady don't
Yeah,
get mad that I'm in the garage and not in the house. You know
That's
what I mean?
right. That's why you got to do it.
So I can justify it just a little bit.
That's it. You know?
But I mean, like the other guy that's on the team with us, I did a 6th order for him.
Yeah.
Just for fun, I've never done anything that big.
Yeah.
I did a 6th order for 4 HCCA 15s, and that thing's nasty.
Nice.
But I mean, like I said, in his, and all on a budget with it too.
Yeah.
So we took his truck, emptied it out, and everything, all the materials and everything I did, I built the bus bars for the AGMs.
You did the bar,
I did the
steel
bars
and everything.
the aluminum bars that are on them. I drilled and tapped them. I did everything.
Everything right there in the yard.
Everything right there at the house in the garage.
There's something about that. Putting in that work yourself.
Yeah, and to me, he helped me with it. I mean, stuff like that. When you take it to the big shops, when you get it back, you appreciate it because you put your money into it.
Yeah, but when you put your hands on it.
When you put your hands in it, if I do something for someone, if they want to come up and help out, dude, they are more than welcome to come help.
Man, that's what we went with somebody this time. We usually like to do it ourselves for the channel and then just to know what we did. You feel better about it, but when we're dealing with somebody, you just do it in a way. But
it's not only that, I can teach someone.
Yeah.
And like even with the DSPs, okay, well, if you don't like it, tune up, like you can turn the gains down on it here. We'll set it at the garage, and if you want to take it and turn it off, I'll show you how to do it.
Yeah, that way you can learn as you go.
Right, and and if I teach someone and they take it and they do something with it, I don't care.
It don't matter.
Most of the big people, they get mad when they take someone else's secrets and like.
That's right.
Like his doors.
Yeah.
He's got so many people ask him how much bolts he's screwed to the door.
Yeah.
He's on like one of them Trailblazer pages on Facebook.
Yep.
Nobody can figure out how his doors are put together.
We got an underwear, same thing. It's hard to figure that out.
It's just, I gotta flip it over, I gotta screw from the back with washers. Most people do. I took his door cards off.
And then went from the back.
And I screwed it from the back. So now there ain't no screws visible, no nothing visible. It's clean.
I was wondering how it was on there.
Yeah. like my doors, I did them when I lived in my old house. All I had was a little shed to work out of, and I was really just starting to get into it.
It's pretty solid.
But I mean, it's solid. I am going to redo them this year before TDH again next year.
Yeah.
I'm end up having 2 or 3/8, 2 6.5s, and 2 tweeters in the door then.
Gonna go a little bit more in the door down here.
Yeah, and then this is gonna get changed out. Well, this is gonna stay like it is. I'm gonna build another one with 410s with the actual woofers. Yeah. That way I can play from like,
that lower
50 to 500 hertz with them. That way
what size are they gonna be? 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are 10s also.
Yeah.
So, but these are like, I guess you call them the mid bass.
Yeah.
They play from like 80 going up to like 5K.
There's something about that 50 if you can get. I think they're playing like 50 over here though.
That 50 is it hurts.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah. These don't quite play down to that. So that's why I'm gonna build another one of these, and it should stack up and be even.
Right there, even. Yep.
And then I'll probably end up sanding this finished because this was just kind of a rush job on this. I end up sanding this back down and doing the unicorn spit. What I did with this is I burnt it with a torch. Yeah. And sanded it down, did the red unicorn spit on it. And so I'll probably end up building a double box.
Is it like some polyurethane or something you put over the top?
This is epoxy. Okay. Epoxy, and actually, if you look at it with the light, when the light hits it a certain way, I don't know if you can see it, but I got like a metal flake.
Yeah, I see it now.
So at nighttime it shines up because I got LEDs in the back. But yeah, this box, I got a lot of time on this one.
You got to put tape around the outside of however you do it and pour it and all that, right?
No, I just thought what I do is I'll let it run down the sides and then I'll brush the sides.
Get till it dries up a little bit.
I've got like eight coats on this.
Oh, okay, so it wasn't no quick deal.
Oh, no, I probably got 20 hours just in finishing the box.
Oh, okay.
And I got almost done. I was getting ready to pour the last coat, and it didn't mix right.
Yeah.
And it kind of stayed tacky, never hardened. So I had to take a grinder and grind everything back off and completely.
Oh, here?
Yeah, and
You can't
completely.
really tell.
No, it got ground right down to bare wood. I had to re-burn it, restain it, and everything. So.
You got a hard time with that part, didn't you?
But it was my first time ever doing epoxy on
But
anything.
you can't tell though.
No, like I said, it turned out good, you know. So I don't know. I love this stuff.
Yeah, man, it's definitely looking good, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, we definitely gonna keep in touch, man. I can't wait to see it again. You going to any more shows this year?
Nah, they're a little too far away from me.
Yeah, they're good right.
This right here, because like I said, I'm up in like northwestern Virginia.
Yeah.
I mean, this right here is 2 hours from the house.
Yeah, see, we took about a 13-hour ride.
Really?
Yeah. We came from over by Memphis and Nashville in the middle.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it was good, right?
So, and I really can't take too much time off of work.
Yeah,
I'd
man.
love to, man.
Hey, man, you almost gotta take a week off to travel that far sometimes when you gotta work.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So,
Yeah, man. That's good.
All right, man. I appreciate
yeah, man.
it.
Thanks, man. Thank you.
And my Facebook tags.
It's back here.
That's me.
This ain't a diesel, man. It's a diesel.
Yeah.
How's it ride, man?
It ain't okay.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BaseWithKev.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.